Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again with a quick review of the DJI Avata Fly More Kit. This product allows you to easily extend the flying time of your DJI Avata drone because it includes 2 additional batteries and an intelligent charging hub that allows you to connect 4 batteries up to a single charger and then sequentially charge those batteries. Because I promise you, once you get out in the field and start flying with the Avata, you're going to have so much fun that you're going to be thinking, how can I extend my flying day? So you're going to race home and start searching for an extra battery or 2 that you can take with you for the next trip so you can keep the drone up in the air for a lot longer. But once you buy the batteries, then you're going to start wondering, how do I charge those batteries? Well, you can certainly rotate them through the Avata, but that takes a lot of time and effort to keep track of what batteries charge, what battery gets charged next, and you're going to start searching for an intelligent charging hub. The kit includes everything you need. It includes the 2 batteries and the hub, and you'll find that if you're searching for these, this is a way better value than buying the products individually. Now the batteries are exactly the same as the battery that came with the original DJI Avata. Both of these will give you up to 18 minutes of flight time individually. So 18 minutes plus the 18 on the original battery. That's a lot of time to be up in the air. And the Intelligent Charging Hub is a brilliant product. It's not just a way to connect up 4 batteries. There's actually brains inside here that when you connect up the batteries, this will immediately interrogate the batteries that are connected once you connect it to a charger, and it'll find the battery that needs the least amount of charge and fully charge that battery. When that's done, it'll turn that battery off and look for the next battery that needs the least amount of charge and move on to that one. So it'll sequentially move through the batteries, again, to charge the one that needs the least amount of charge first, all the way through the one that needs the most charge. And that's nice because the one that needs the least amount of charge, it doesn't seem like that makes sense, but charging that one first means you're going to get back up in the air as quickly as possible. So it's a great way to work with multiple batteries at the same time. Now, one thing I will caution you about, you need to have a very powerful charger to use the charging hub. So you need to have at least a 65-watt wall charger. Typically, a PD charger will work really well. Now, DJI sells a 100-watt charger that works perfectly with this kit, or if you have a charger of your own, you can plug it in. There's a single USB-C connection on the end, and the batteries plug in just like they would into the Avata on these little connections on the end. Now, the way I charge my batteries is I'll plug in up to 4 batteries. I stand them up just like that, plug in the charger on the end, and you'll watch them sort of interrogate the batteries first, pick the one that needs the least amount of charge, and then immediately start charging that battery. And it's kind of nice because you won't have to worry about keeping track of which battery needs charged and did I take it out of the drone in time. I'm also not a really big fan of charging batteries in the drone because you basically turn the Avata into a very expensive battery charger, and even though you're not turning the drone on, you're still running current through the circuitry inside that Avata. With this, everything is done outside of the drone, so there's no wear and tear on the drone. It's all done through the charging hub. It's just a really simple product to use. It's small enough where you can pack it away in your kit. You almost forget you have it with you, but you have the advantage of charging these batteries at the same time, again, not simultaneously, but sequentially, and you can even take it with you in the field, plug it into a high-powered car charger, and charge them when you're out there flying. So it's a beautiful kit. I think DJI has done a great job with it, providing a way to extend your airtime by adding the 2 extra batteries and the charging hub to your equipment that you've got already, and it just works really, really well. So hopefully you found this review helpful. I've used this product for well over a year. I like it an awful lot. It goes with me every time I'm heading out to fly, and it really just saves a lot of time and a lot of wear and tear on the drone. So thanks an awful lot for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the review, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.